Have you ever wondered why your garden plants seem to struggle, looking stunted or with leaves turning yellow, even though you're giving them plenty of water and sunlight? It's a frustrating sight for any gardener, and it might leave you scratching your head, searching for answers. The real culprit could be lurking beneath the surface: compacted soil. This hidden problem is more common than you might think, and it can silently sabotage your garden's health. If you notice water pooling on top of the soil after a rainstorm, or if your trowel struggles to break through the hard, dry ground, these are clear signs your soil is too dense. Roots can't push through and water can't soak in. Healthy soil, on the other hand, should quickly absorb water and let you dig in with ease. It feels loose and crumbly, not hard and unyielding. When the earth is packed tight, roots become trapped and can't spread out. This means your plants can't access the nutrients and moisture they desperately need to thrive, leading to wilting and poor growth. Another important clue is the presence, or absence, of earthworms. If you dig into your soil and find few or none, it's a sign your soil is inhospitable and likely compacted. Earthworms are nature's soil engineers. They create tiny tunnels as they move, allowing air and water to reach plant roots and helping to break up dense soil. Without these helpful creatures, your soil lacks the life, structure, and natural aeration that healthy plants depend on. Compacted soil is a silent problem, but the warning signs are right in front of you: struggling plants, hard ground, and lifeless soil. By learning to recognize these clues, you're taking the first and most important step toward transforming your garden into a thriving, healthy oasis. Compacted soil squeezes out what roots need most: water, air, and space. It's like putting plants in a straitjacket, making it hard for them to thrive. In healthy soil, tiny pores hold air and water for roots and microbes, creating a vibrant underground ecosystem. But when soil is compacted, these pores vanish. Roots and microbes suffocate and water can't drain properly. Rainwater pools on top, leaving roots thirsty and stressed. Roots struggle to grow, trapped in dense soil. Imagine running through wet concrete. The result? Weak, stunted plants vulnerable to drought and pests. Recognizing compaction is key. Let's see how to fix it. Tilling seems like the answer to compacted soil, but it often makes things worse. Heavy tilling destroys soil structure, breaking up the natural clumps that create air and water channels. The result? Fluffy soil at first, but after rain, it settles even denser than before. Tilling also disrupts earthworms, fungi, and microbes, the soil's hidden workforce. Over time, repeated tilling creates a hard pan layer just below the surface, trapping roots and water. Instead of solving compaction, tilling can lock your garden in a cycle of problems. Healthy soil thrives on stability, not constant disturbance. There's a better way. Let's build soil from the top down. The best fix for compacted soil? Skip the digging. Just add organic matter right on top. Layer 2 to 4 inches of compost, manure, or worm castings across your beds. No need to till. Earthworms and microbes will pull it down, loosening soil and creating air channels. Mulch with leaves, straw, or wood chips to protect and feed the soil. Retain moisture and shield soil life. Plant cover crops like daikon radish or clover. Their roots break up hard soil and add organic matter. This top-down approach builds healthy, resilient soil, making gardening easier and harvests more abundant. Restoring soil is a journey, not a quick fix. Protect your progress by creating permanent paths. Never step on your growing beds. Keep adding compost and mulch each year. Patience pays off as soil life flourishes. Think of yourself as a soil farmer. Feed the soil and it will feed your plants. This approach builds a self-sustaining ecosystem, reducing your workload over time. You'll know you've succeeded when your soil is soft, crumbly, and full of life. Your plants will be stronger, healthier, and more productive. By working with nature, you transform your garden into a thriving oasis. Healthy soil is your garden's greatest legacy.